Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add collapsible text in Wix Editor. So first, of course, head over to your Wix Editor page. Then next is start by adding a text. And to do that, in the left panel, click on Add Elements icon. Then next is click or hover your mouse on text. And here you can see the collapsible text setting or option. Just click on it. And here you can see options, layouts, and design for collapsible text. Just choose your preferred design and font and drag it to your web page. And from here, you can resize this depending on your preference. And you can start changing the text or the content of this collapsible text. Then next, you have an option to change what this link or button will do when the viewers click this. So you can just choose expand. So when they click on this link, this will just expand and show them the full content. But if you choose link, you're going to add a link that will redirect them to another page when they click on this. And that's how you can easily add and use collapsible text in Wix Editor. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!